have class and instance variable. Let's say here, this is, for example, how you can have a method. This is how you call the method. First, we have seen how we can call the attributes. Here we can say it says objects and attributes. And here we have, it's more how you do like class instance variables and methods. So let's say you have a dog, a class dog that has that's also like the main. I won't go really deep into how OOP work, but the main usage of OOP is to have some kind of classifications. That's why they're called classes. It's like a class, it's like a factory, it's like something that you can make a lot of it. Like, for example, dog, you have a lot of kind of dogs, you have door, a lot of kind of doors. Those are mainly why they are called objects and classes. You can create a lot of objects of the same class. It's like a blueprint, let's say. Just for the ones that I'm not very comfortable with OOP and how it does work. So let's say we have a dog. It has a kind. It's canine, and this dog has we can initiate. We can create more dogs with their names. So this is the constructor. Here, so we create two dogs. Okay, create two dogs. We have one Fido and one Buddy. So d.kind, it's canine. Like both of them, they are canine. Like we said, that this dog would be always canine. And this is the kind, and we have the name. So we have different names for the same kind of dog. Here we have d.kind will be canine, e.kind will be canine, d.name will be Fido, and e.name will be Buddy. So they have different names, same kind. Here we can this is something we have. Yeah, exactly. This is something we have to look at. It's how we want to really differentiate the access to those variables, because those are kind of general variables or attributes that can be shared across the objects of the class, and we don't want to change the whole class attributes when we change an object's attribute. So here, for example, let's say we still have the name and we still have add trick, but we want to, for example, add tricks just for Fido, but not for one for Fido and one for E. If we do this, we add for Fido and for Buddy. D.tricks and E.tricks, they would have both two tricks, but we don't want this. We want D have just the roll over trick and E have just the play dead trick, because that's the meaning, that's the semantic of how we want it to be. So instead of having these general tricks in here, we will have it also inside the constructor, and this is why we have this constructor in Python, and this is the utility of this constructor, and this is also the utility of having this difference between having this constructor and having this place for some shared variables. So in Python, it really supports having shared variables and private variables, like public variables and shared variables this way, in this init function and this outside scope in here. So that's why this course is it's better coupled with scoping. So here, as you can see, after running this, we can have each one has his own tricks, because tricks has to do just with the object that is the object in that we use, like right now.